namhlanje idingo zabo azikahlonishwa. Sarejistara sumkhonto wesizwe e-legislature. Kunalento esibiza ngokuthi i-Jodi. I-Jodi ikhuluma ngabantu abasha, ikhuluma ngabomama, ikhuluma ngabantu aba-disabled, ikhuluma ngama-military veterans. Ngithanda ukumtshela mkhonto wesizwe ukuthi for the first time after we had a meeting in Premier where I sit in the committee of all Paul, simtshela uPrima ukuthi Prima, this thing cannot go unnoticed. Ukuthi namhlanje abantu bethu aba-disabled, they are not yet recognized. They are there only in policies, but abakabi recognized. When it comes to issues of business, still today basasabotajwa. Ngicela ukunitshela namhlanje ukuthi for the first time in 30 years, last week bokune round table, bokune meeting nabantu aba-disabled, whereby babiziwe ukuthi beze nama-companies wabo bazokwazi uku-absorbwa ukuthi bangene ku-system. Iyodwa into bebahlala bayisho mphathi wami,